In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project templates in Monday.com. Sharing knowledge on efficient project management is essential, especially when you want to streamline your workflow and ensure consistency across projects. Let's dive in and set up a project template that can save you time and effort in the future. To begin, head over to Monday.com. It's your go-to place for project management, offering a versatile platform to track and organize your work. Once there, you'll see the option to log in on the homepage. Go ahead and click on Log In. This will prompt you to sign in using your preferred method. If you're using a Google account for login, click on the Google icon and select your account from the list. If this is your first time logging in, make sure your Google account is synced with Monday.com for a smooth experience. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. Here, look to the left-hand panel where your boards are listed. Navigate to the board you want to convert into a template. Find the three dots located near the board's name. These dots give you more options related to your board. Click on them to bring up a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you will see an option that says Save as a Template. Selecting this option is a crucial step as it converts your existing board into a reusable template. By doing this, you ensure that any structure, tasks, or specific settings from this board can be replicated in future projects without needing to start from scratch each time. The next step involves choosing Move the Origin. By selecting this, all the current content in your board is used as a baseline for future use, maintaining the foundation you've worked hard to establish. Once chosen, click on Next to advance in the process. You will then be prompted to choose Standard Template as your save option. This is important for keeping a uniform structure that can be applied across various projects. Hit Next once again to proceed further. Naming your template is the final customization step. Type in a name that is clear and indicative of its purpose. Naming appropriately will help you quickly identify and access the template in the future. Finally, confirm everything by clicking on Create Template. With this, you ensure that all the current configurations in your board are preserved as a template. One of the great things about Monday.com templates is that any changes you make in your board are automatically saved within the template. This means that you can keep your templates up to date with the latest processes and information effortlessly. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating project templates in Monday.com. This process not only makes repeated task management easier, but also enhances team coordination by providing a consistent framework. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.